Hey guys, welcome back to the FabuPRO YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing extensions on this beautiful guest. She has those nice bright blue eyes, oh my goodness. And I did have a little bit of an issue, it's really not an issue, but I did have a hard time applying the gel patches because her eyes were getting very sensitive to the light of the room, but we still managed, and I even had her, allowed her to blink. That way her eyes weren't getting so sensitive. But yeah, if you guys want, more details about how to tape the bottom lashes down, you can go check out our previous videos. Now, as you can see, I am prepping and priming her natural lashes because we did a removal, and I just want to make sure that there is absolutely no removal or any residue on the natural lashes. So I did have gloves on. Please do not think anything else of it. I just had some major issues with my nails. I tried taking them off and they're pretty bad. Anyways, let's get started. This guest wanted a hybrid set, but she didn't want something too dramatic. So I'm actually going to be doing a 60% of her natural lashes. I'm going to fill them up with individuals. And then about a 30 to 40% I'm going to fill in with volume. So once the extensions are pretty full, or once her natural lashes are pretty full with those individuals, I am going to apply the volumes and kind of make them look pretty even. That way it's not way too dramatic for her, and it's almost a transition from individuals only to kind of moving up to volumes. I don't want her to feel like, oh my god, I just did too much. I want her to feel like it was a nice transition, and even if in the next time she wanted to do something more dramatic, you can go ahead and add that 50% of volumes. But for now, we just want to slowly transition into that hybrid set. As you can see, I am using the classy tweezers. And I do like to use the classy tweezers for individuals because I feel like I am much faster using the classy tweezers. But as you can see later on, I will be switching off to the Foxies. And for any of those who are wondering, I am using 12s, 11s, and 10s for the individuals in a 0.12 C curl. That is what I am using right now. I am using the 3D 0.07 in 12, 11, and 10. Alright, so I have already added all of the individuals, and here we go. We're going to start with the volumes. Always remember to move from side to side, especially when you are doing volumes, just to make sure that they are not sticking, because that is one of the most important factors, that the extensions are perfectly able to be brushed. Now always remember that when you are lashing someone that wears glasses on a daily basis, you want to make sure that you are not doing anything over 14 millimeters. For some people, 14 millimeters could be a little bit too long, but in this case I am doing the 12 millimeters because it does look better. And like I said, never go anything above 14 millimeters, otherwise it will bother the guest and it will be touching their lenses. So just always keep that in mind. I'm going to keep adding the volumes. As you can see, just remember to work from side to side. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and that you guys pretty much soaked in all the tips. Remember to subscribe, click that notification button, make sure to like this video, comment down below, any questions, comments that you may have about the video or about anything, pretty much. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and till next time. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you guys are notified whenever we post another video.